This presentation will help you complete English 1220 successfully. Let's start by looking at the weekly agenda. It goes from Monday through Sunday, and Monday obviously you read the assignments and take notes. No later than Friday, but hopefully earlier in the week, you will submit 2 discussion posts. Now, the most important deadline is the Saturday due dates. Weeks 1, 3, and 5 are ungraded rough drafts that you submit in the drop boxes by midnight. There's never any late assignments, and I never make exceptions on that because I need time to get you the feedback so that you can make the revisions. Weeks 2, 4, and 6, you submit graded assignments or assignments that will be graded in drop boxes by midnight. However, you can submit them late. There is a 10% daily late penalty though. Week 7 is the MLA exam. You need to take that by midnight. And week 8 is the poetry essay. This one's a little different. The poetry essay is a more informal discussion post. It's shorter, it's fewer points, but the deadline is not Saturday, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday so that on Thursday, hopefully, I have everything. I can send you each an email with any extra credit you may have in your final grade in the course. That gives you a day or two to look things over, because remember, week 8, the class does not go till Sunday. It ends earlier. So remember, poetry essay, a discussion post on Wednesday, not Saturday. Sunday is your due date for your quizzes by midnight, and it's always 10 multiple choice questions. There are 6 quizzes, 1 through 6. Let's take a look at how you should divide your time. Take a look at that pie chart. 710 points is for the 2 essays in the research paper. Remember, there's 0 points for the 3 ungraded assignments, but you can never submit those assignments late. You'll simply get an email from me saying, work with the tutors at the Learning Center. 230 points is for those 6 quizzes and the MLA exam, and 60 points is for the 12 discussion posts for weeks 1 through 6. Now remember, rough drafts aren't graded, but they do help you to earn the 710 points on the essays and the research papers. The discussion posts help you write the essays and the research paper, and each category is essential. So remember that. Everything is essential. Here's a slide that reminds you to print out the syllabus and then you'll have it if you have computer problems. All your reading assignments, everything you need to do is in that part of the syllabus. It's fairly close to the front, and you can see what you need to do each week. Make sure you have a printed copy in case you have computer problems. Let's think about those 2 weekly discussion posts. They're 10 points each week, 60 total. The weekly posts are graded with a rubric. It's the same every week. Post number 1 is your original response. You have to write that before you can see anything else that another student wrote. Post 2 is a reply to another student. Post your original response as early as possible, but no later than Friday. Remember that slide we just looked at. There's no posting on the weekends. Angel will delete it, and then it won't count towards your grade. Let's take a look at the 2 essays versus the drama research paper. Together, these equal 710 points in the course. Now, the short story essay and the poetry essay are submitted differently. The short story has a rough draft in week 1, and a final essay is, and these are both as attachments in drop boxes in weeks 1 and 2. The poetry essay is very different. It's more informal because it's a discussion post. It's shorter and it's fewer points. However, there's a Wednesday at midnight deadline for the reasons already discussed. ungraded work, no points for it, but no late assignments. So that would be the week 1 assignment. The total for these 2 essays is 300 points, 200 for short story, 100 for poetry. Drama is different. There's 4 assignments. They're all submitted as attachments in drop boxes in weeks 3 through 6. Now, week 3 is an ungraded outline. Week 4 is a 10-point bibliography. Week 5 is the ungraded rough draft. And week 6 is the 400-point drama research paper. Remember, you've got 2 ungraded assignments. There's no points for them, but no late assignments. If you try to turn it in late, you just get an email saying work with the tutors at the Learning Center. The total for all parts is 410 points. Now, the 6 quizzes and the week 7 MLA exam, you will obviously study the assigned chapters for the quizzes and the exam. All questions are straight from the book. You'll take notes on all the pages, not just the quiz questions. And be prepared, because you can only enter the exams, and that also means the tests, one time. The quizzes and the exam, only enter that one time. Once you click on it, that's it. And finally, we're partners. Whenever you have questions or concerns, you have 2 ways of reaching me. You can always call me, and the number's in the syllabus, and that's Monday through Sunday, 7 days a week, from about 9 a.m. till about 9 a.m. till about 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. You can send a message, or call, or do both. I'll be happy to help you. And good luck with the course.